Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today's video, I will explain everything about media query. So as I mentioned in my last video that media query is little confusing. So I will try to explain it as simple as possible, okay? So here you can see I have an HTML file here and inside body, I have a header one tag. So if I open it in the browser, let me just open it in the browser. And here you can see we have a text here, change the color, right? So now I will explain everything in details about media query. So what is media query? Media query is actually used for responsive purpose to change the dimension or to change the resolution. I will say so add the media and then parenthesis and then curly braces. So whenever you want to write media query, that time you have to actually write like this. So media query has different type. Let's say you have a screen and we have media screen. We have media print for the printing purpose. We have space, right? So we have different properties or different type of media. So and the by default is this one. So actually it works for all. So this is the default media query. So inside the media query parenthesis, we have max height, mean height, right? We have portrait or so we have different kind of parameter here, right? So let me just add max width first, max width. And if I said max width, let's say 500 pixel, what does max width 500 pixel actually mean? And here I just set a criteria from 0 to 500 pixel. I said that, okay, my max width should be 500 pixel. So it will start from 0 and max width is 500 pixel. This media query actually work for the screen, which is start from 0 to 500 pixel. Let's say our tag h1, I will say here color red. And now if I go to the browser, if I refresh it, now if I go to the inspect option here, I will say here responsive. And now look, when I increase the size, it changes the color. And when I decreasing, just focus on the dimension here. When I decreasing and when I cross the 500 and it color changed, right? Because I set max width 0 to 500 pixel. And when the max width is 0 to 500 pixel, I mean screen size, that time color should be red. I have said here, right? For the media, I have set max width from 0 to 500 pixel and their color should be red. I mean text color. So when it is from 0 to 500 pixel, then the color should be red. And when it cross the max width 500, the color will be the default one. Default one is black and that's why black. So I hope you understand max width. Now let's say I have set here mean width. So what does it mean? When I say here mean width, it means now our minimum width is not 0. Our minimum width will start from 500 and its maximum width will be more than 500. I mean 500 plus. So now our text color will be red whenever the screen size will go from 500 to 500 plus. But when it is from 0 to 500, then the color would be the default one. I mean black. So let me show you. If I go to the browser and refresh, now you can see because I have set the minimum width 500, it means the screen now start from 500 and from 500 to 500 plus the color will be red, and when it resolution will go down from 500, let's say 499, and that time the color will be the different one. This is because I have set the minimum height 500, so it will work from 500 to 500 plus, right? But when it goes down 500, it will be the default one. So this is the main difference between mean width and mean height. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, let me just know in the comment section. I will make another video for you so that you can understand. But for now, I hope you understand it well. Let me show you another option. And that is, let's say I want to change the color here for the print. So I have set here media and media type is print. Now our color will only work for when we will go for print. On the other hand, it will be black. So here you can see our default text color is black. And when I press Ctrl plus P for the print, now see the changes. And here we have black, but it should be red, right? Because I have said here that Okay, when it is for the media print, that time actually we want to change our color to red. So I have to remove this parenthesis here, and boom, now it will work. And if I refresh, now you can see, if I press Ctrl P for the print, now you can see we have changed the color. See, this default color is black and this one is red. This is how we can use media property, I mean media type. So as I mentioned that our media type is print, so it will only work for the print. So this is how actually media query used. So I hope you understand well. If this video is helpful for you, make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more video like this. And we have a lot of PHP project we have done with Laravel. If you want to learn Laravel and PHP, you can check them. We have done some project using PHP and Laravel. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.